Hey guys, welcome to week 5 of Public Speaking Online. I've got the Canvas homepage for this week pulled up, so I'm going to kind of go through that and then talk about this week's assignment and the instructions for it. First of all, the Public Speaking Zoom hour is Thursday from 1 to 2, so make sure you're joining that if you have any questions at all. It's an easy way to talk to me. I'll be there for that full hour, even if you just need to pop on for a quick question. I'll put the meeting ID and the password here on the home page, and I'll send you a link for the Zoom meeting about 30 minutes before, just so you can join with that link if it is easier. A reminder that Mondays are elective days, so all your public speaking work is due Monday by midnight. Again, the updated schedule calendar is right here on the homepage. I explained all of this last week's video, but make sure you're clicking on that to view it as things have changed and as time goes by. That will always be there for you. Continuing, after I finish this video, I'm going to put the link on the homepage right here under week 5 video, so you can have access to watch that anytime you need to. Finally, we are entering the end of the school year, so you just have 2 more assignments for this class, and then you are all finished, complete. So what we're going to talk about today is the persuasive speech and what is due this week. Okay, so I've got the assignment pulled up here so we can look at it together. Just make it a little bigger for you. All right, so persuasive speech. You guys are going to write a persuasive speech designed to obviously persuade the audience about a specific topic that has been pre-approved. This is really important. What you want to do this week, by Thursday this week, okay, that is the 14th, you want to make sure you have your topic approved by me. You can email me your topic and say, hey, Miss Bettyfield, is this right? Or how do I make this better? Is it narrow enough? Is it too broad? And I will help you out via email, or again, join that Zoom on Thursday and you can talk to me about it really quick and get it leveled out and chosen and ready to go. This speech is about 4 to 7 minutes in length. I know that that's a wide gap, but it's just to cover as much time as you need to. I know most of you went a little bit over time for your demonstration speech, which again is totally fine. So here I just wanted to say minimum is 4 minutes. Try to stay within the 7-minute range, because if you go past that, then you're getting a little bit rambly, okay? Next, in order to persuade others, you need to analyze your audience and goals and develop your own credibility. Create a persuasive argument that includes the opposition's point of view. Let me explain. First of all, you know who your audience is. It's your classmates and it's me. So you want to make sure it is appropriate for that group of people. Second, develop your own credibility by making sure that you have facts and statistics to back up your point in your persuasive speech. All right. Lastly, you have to include the opposition's point of view. So your topic has to be one that has a two-sided point of view, and you are arguing for one side. One body point of your speech should be addressing the other person's side or point of view of your argument and either refuting it, okay, which means to disagree with it based on facts, or you're conceding, which means you agree to this one point based on facts. So it needs to be backed up either way. If you have questions or want me to go into further detail about what that means, again, join the Zoom this Thursday or email me. No problem. Okay. Now, you want to avoid any unethical persuasion. What this means is that you just don't want to use any tactics that are seen as unethical, like anything that overreaches, okay? So you're focusing more on emotions instead of facts. That's a big one. Or blaming the other side instead of using facts to back up your side. Very important things to make sure that you are avoiding so that your speech is valid and makes sense, okay? Um, again, you must present two sides of your argument. You have to address the other person's or the other side's point of view as one body point in your entire speech. It should not take up too much of your speech. It should just be there so that you know that there's another side and you can address it either again refuting or conceding. Either one. All right. Minimum of 4 minutes. Talked about that. You do have to create an outline for this speech, similar to all your other outlines you have done for this class so far. Okay, should be in the same format, so make sure you go back and look at the outlines you have submitted for other speeches and make sure that they are in the same format. This is what will be due this week. Okay, so Monday the 18th, you are turning in your outline and your works cited page. Okay, because I'm going to skip down here a little bit. You have to have two sources. Okay, so they have to be on an MLA works cited page. All right, the works cited page and the outline is what is due Monday the 18th. And after that is when you will film your speech and upload it. Okay. Like any speech, you have to use logos, pathos, and ethos. You guys know what that is, and you're pretty good at making sure you hit all three of those. But again, make sure that your works cited has at least two sources. You can have more, at least two, and it is in MLA format. Again, any questions you have with that, I'll be happy to answer. Just join the Zoom or email me. All right, here are the due dates. Again, that 14th, that's this Thursday, you must have your topic approved by me. Again, you can either email me or join that Zoom and we can talk about it and I'll check you off. All right. Then the 18th, which is next Monday by midnight, you need to have the outline and the works cited due. Works cited is in MLA format. You can find the MLA format guide under discussions on campus. Okay. Then lastly, your final assignment for the entirety of public speaking is to video your persuasive speech and upload it. All right, and that will be due on the 26th. If you notice, the 26th is a Tuesday, and I know most of our stuff is due on Mondays, but that is because that is Memorial Day, and so we're skipping that day, and it's going to be due Tuesday night. Okay. Any questions you have about the persuasive speech or picking a topic and making sure your topic is okay and approved, just email me or join the Zoom and I can get those questions answered relatively quickly. Okay, so again, the homepage will be updated. Your persuasive outline and works cited is what is due this week. All right, let me know if you have any questions.